In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make files available offline on desktop, Windows Mac. If you've ever tried to open something in Dropbox and saw a little gray cloud icon, that means the file is set to online only. It saves space on your computer by keeping the file in the cloud until you need it. Today we're doing the opposite. We're going to make specific files or entire folders available offline so they're stored on your hard drive and open instantly, even without an internet connection. This is perfect for travel, slow networks, or when you need reliable access to important documents and media. First, open your Dropbox folder on your computer. On Windows, that's in File Explorer. On Mac, it's in Finder. You'll usually see Dropbox in the sidebar. If it's not there, look for the Dropbox folder in your user directory. Make sure the Dropbox desktop app is running in the background so it can manage the sync. Next, find the file or folder you want to keep offline. Right-click it to open the context menu. From there, select Make Available Offline. This tells Dropbox to download that item and keep a local copy on your machine. You can do this with a single file, a subfolder, or a top-level folder if you want everything inside it to stay offline. If you ever see a menu option that says Make Online Only instead, that simply means it's already offline, and that option would switch it back to the Cloud Only setting. Once you've chosen Make Available Offline, the verification is straightforward. Watch the icon next to the file or folder. It will change from a gray cloud to a solid green checkmark. The gray cloud indicates online only, while the solid green checkmark confirms the item is physically stored on your hard drive. For larger files or big folders, you might notice a syncing indicator while it downloads. That's normal, just give it a moment to finish. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Ensure you have enough disk space for what you're making offline, especially if you're pulling down large media libraries or project folders. If you're on a laptop, keep it plugged in during big downloads. And remember, once it's offline, any changes you make will still sync to Dropbox the next time you're connected, so your files stay up to date across your devices. That's all there is to it. Open your Dropbox folder, right-click what you need, select Make Available Offline, and confirm the green checkmark. Now you're ready to work confidently, with or without internet.